Hey loves, welcome back. Welcome if you are new and welcome back to my original OGs. I'm so happy to have you guys here. Today I will be going around the house and I'll be doing some decluttering and reorganizing all the drawers and closet spaces in the home. I'm trying to get a lot of things decluttered and organized before the holiday seasons to see how much space I have to get more stuff and what needs to be thrown out and just taking up unnecessary space. So I hope you guys enjoy this cleaning motivation. Now let's tackle our messes together and get our spaces organized before the busy rush of the holiday season, because it is approaching quickly.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing
was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Tune for a lot of Christmas clean and decorating with me, and also just random Christmas cleaning. And of course, as you know, I'm a mom of 2 little ones, and it's so hard to keep on top of things and keep the house clean and tidy when they're always constantly playing and messing it up. So of course, tons of cleaning motivation coming, so be sure to hit that subscribe button. And oh, I forgot, shop with me. I'll see you again 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday and Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And of course, it's a holiday, so I might drop in random videos on Mondays and Thursdays. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please do consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. Until next time guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. I love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next